AOC 25G42E Review and Best Settings. Best 25-inch Fast Gaming Monitor for competitive players? Looking for a fast gaming monitor built for competitive play without spending too much? The AOC 25G42E offers a 180 Hz refresh rate and fast IPS panel, but is it really a good choice for esports gaming? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The AOC 25G42E is a 24.5-inch Full HD gaming monitor with a 1920 by 1080 resolution. It uses a fast IPS panel with a 180 Hz refresh rate, a 1 millisecond GTG response time, and up to 0.5 milliseconds MPRT. For competitive FPS games, that combination is designed to deliver smoother motion and quick response. It also supports adaptive sync and is compatible with NVIDIA G-Sync, helping reduce screen tearing when frame rates fluctuate. You get 300 nits of rated brightness, a 1000:1 contrast ratio, HDR10 support, and wide color coverage. For the best gaming experience, make sure the monitor is set to 180 Hz in your system settings. Adaptive sync can help with variable frame rates, while the overdrive setting can be adjusted to balance response, speed, and visual artifacts. For competitive gaming, keeping the setup simple and prioritizing high refresh rate is usually the way to go. Connectivity includes HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, and a headphone output. The stand is basic and only offers tilt adjustment, although 100 by 100 VESA mounting gives you the option to use a monitor arm. The biggest advantage of this monitor is its focus on speed. The 24.5-inch Full HD format is also a good fit for competitive players who prefer a compact screen and high frame rates. But there are compromises. You're limited to 1080p resolution, HDR performance is not its main strength, and stand lacks height adjustment. Overall, the AOC 25G42E is worth considering for competitive FPS and esports players who prioritize 180 Hz performance and responsiveness. If you want higher resolution, stronger HDR, or a more adjustable stand, look at more premium options. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your next monitor suggestion.